Welcome to the University of Washington. For over a century, the histories of the Boeing Company and the University of Washington have been intertwined. In 1916, with his first plane barely off the drawing board, Bill Boeing began recruiting engineering grads from the UW to help build a global industry. Over the decades, this partnership has inspired a portfolio of professional programs designed to meet critical skills needs at Boeing, from aerospace engineering to data analytics. Today, through the Learning Together program, you can choose from over 30 master's degrees and 50 certificates in business, technology, and engineering. To fit around work schedules, we offer flexible learning, online options, and tailored Boeing programs on-site in Everett and Renton. You can join the hundreds of Boeing employees who keep learning at the University of Washington every year. Let us help you find your path to success.